Now what everybody's favorite food is. What's your favorite food, Todd?
My favorite food is kimchi.
Hello, Audrey. What's your favorite food?
My favorite food is hamster bokkeumbap.
Oh, hamster bokkeumbap. Hey, Logan. What's your favorite food there, buddy?
My favorite food is hamster soup.
Oh, hamster soup. What's your favorite food, Daryl?
My favorite food is hamster onion chicken.
Oh, hamster fried chicken.
Young chicken.
Heidi, what's your favorite food?
My favorite food is hamster kimchi bokkeumbap.
Hamster kimchi bokkeumbap. Yes. Everybody except for Todd loves. Who likes to eat hamster? Who likes to eat hamster? Oh, hamster is yummy, isn't it? Okay, say goodbye. Say goodbye.